Greetings of peace, love, and light on this glorious and amazing day. As you may know, amethysts are crystals that are a real delight to the eyes due to their mystical, aesthetic appearance. They are crystal stones that nature has bestowed mankind with a lot of benefits. The word amethyst is derived from a Greek word, amethythos, meaning not intoxicated. Proving the meaning right, this stone has always been used to prevent drunkenness and overindulgence. Amethyst is linked to the element of wind. This element is believed to activate the mind and assist in clairvoyance and intuition. Throughout history, this crystal has been used as a symbol of healing and clearing benefits. People use it as a source of therapy due to its soothing effects on the mind and body. This precious stone is present across the globe, but major reservoirs have been found near South America, Greece, Italy, the Middle East, and Africa. Today, at spirituition.com, we discuss 11 benefits that the amazing amethyst can have on your life. Number 1. Protection. Amethyst is a powerful and protective stone. It guards against psychic attack, transmuting the energy into love and protecting the wearer from all types of harm, including geopathic or electromagnetic stress and ill wishes from others. This amazing stone also contains protective properties that guard you against paranormal activities, psychic attacks, or any such thing which is plotted against you. Due to its protective effect, amethyst has been used for centuries for dissolving evil vibes. Many people wear it as a necklace to stay away from negative thoughts and actions. You can place an amethyst by each of the doors in your house to protect negative energy from entering. You can also place an amethyst in each corner of the home to shield the house in protective energy. 2. Natural tranquilizer. Amethyst is a natural tranquilizer. It relieves stress and strain, soothes irritability, balances mood swings, dispels anger, rage, fear, and anxiety. It also alleviates sadness and grief and dissolves negativity. It calms and stimulates the mind, helping you become more focused, enhancing memory, and improving motivation. Amethyst is a very calming stone. If you are a short-tempered stone, it is a stone for you. It not only manages your anger, but releases all your anxieties and tensions, which ultimately lead to an unpeaceful state of being. Placing amethyst in your office space can help with feelings of tension. It may help you slow your pace so you can better concentrate on projects and get jobs done right the first time. 3. Fights addictions. The amazing amethyst encourages sobriety, having a sobering effect on overindulgence of alcohol, drugs, food, sex, tobacco, cigarette smoking, and other addictions. It cures the obsessive-compulsive disorder and problems of hyperactivity in children. It helps you in getting rid of your addictive habits of drugs and alcohol. It even neutralizes the bad effects of all these bad things on the brain to a certain limit. 4. Physical healing. Amethyst boosts hormone production, tunes the endocrine system and metabolism. It strengthens the immune system, reduces pain, and strengthens the body to fight against cancer. It destroys malignant tumors and aids in tissue regeneration. Amethyst heals diseases of the lungs and respiratory tract, skin conditions, cellular disorders, and diseases of the digestive tract. It also helps to increase the supply of oxygen to the blood, thus cleansing it and providing enriched blood circulation throughout your beautiful body. 5. Dissolves negative vibes. Amethyst is known for its calming effects, but it can also be used to clear negative energy. It carries with it a strong ability to purify and protect the wearer and cleanse any heavy energy in one's aura. Just looking at this beautiful stone can promote feelings of calm and positivity. In addition to clearing outer negative influences, amethyst will help to keep negative thoughts at bay. Amethyst helps soothe and balance negative emotions, so it's great to have in your home when you or your family are dealing with emotional turmoil, or if you just feel a little emotionally unbalanced. Amethyst is extremely helpful at removing negative energy from children's rooms. Just place it on a nightstand in their room and you're good to go. 6. Goodbye headaches. Amethyst helps with pain relief in general, but especially headaches. Amethyst helps to release tension in general, but especially areas within the head region. Its soothing energy calms the pain and helps reduce 2 of the main causes of headaches, stress and fatigue. To use amethyst to relieve a headache, lay down and place an amethyst tumbled stone on the area of the head where you are feeling the pain. Close your eyes and imagine the crystal healing your headache. Just ensure that your amethyst is fully charged and has been programmed intentionally to do so, and you're all good to go. 7. Detoxifier. Because of its cleansing abilities, one of the leading amethyst stone benefits is detoxification. It promotes cleansing of the body from the inside out. This includes the cleansing and opening of the chakras, the cleansing of the blood, and the removal of toxins from the body. One of the most effective ways to detoxify the body using amethyst is to place a large amethyst geode in a room where you spend a lot of time so that your body can be surrounded by its cleansing energies on a regular basis. 8. You will sleep like a baby. Since amethyst quiets the mind so effectively, it is a wonderful tool to have by your bedside or under your pillow if insomnia is an issue for you. As a bonus, amethyst also helps us remember dreams and it wards off nightmares. Those people who have trouble sleeping at night are also advised to use amethyst as it helps to relieve stress and calms the neurons. If you have sleep disorders, it is said a small loose of amethyst stone under the pillow can bring good sleep and pleasant dreams. This will also help to ward off negative spirits and help you fall asleep more peacefully and will make your insomnia go away. 9. Third eye and crown chakra activation. One of the most well-known amethyst stone benefits is its ability to open the crown chakra and stimulate the third eye, which connects us with our higher consciousness. A charged amethyst stone will energetically heal and balance your amazing third eye and crown chakra very effectively. Just by being in its presence, we can feel ourselves coming more in tune with our higher selves and tapping into the wisdom of the universe. It helps us to access our truth and be more intuitive as we tap into our spiritual resources subconsciously. We feel wiser and less afraid as a result, and we even feel more comfortable sharing our wisdom with others. 10. Great for meditation. Amethyst helps with one of the most challenging parts of meditation. It settles the mind and reduces mind chatter. With a still mind, we can get into deeper states of consciousness, which allows us to experience profound realizations. It increases awareness, relaxes the system, and helps in a better understanding of the universe's guidance. Wearing amethyst brings intellectual reasoning along with spiritual insights. It brings you luck, prosperity, and avoids deciding on an unwise investment. Without a calm mind, meditation can feel empty and unfulfilling. But with the help of the amethyst, it is transformed into a powerful and exhilarating experience. To meditate with amethyst, you can hold a tumbled stone in your hand or place one on your third eye, or you can sit next to a large amethyst geode. 11. Psychic abilities. Amethyst activates spiritual awareness, opens intuition, and enhances psychic abilities. It has strong healing and cleansing powers, which encourages selflessness and spiritual wisdom. These psychic centers also allow the downloading of spiritual information from your soul, angels, guides, or the universe. The stone enhances psychic abilities of all types, including clairvoyance, clairaudience, and telepathy. It also works as a great psychic protection tool. It vibrates to the frequencies of the third eye and crown chakras and is also a catalyst to opening the heart chakra. Amethyst is also a great meditation tool when used in preparation for psychic readings, as it cleanses and opens your chakras, allowing you to sense energy better. In conclusion, with a stunning spread of color and powerful healing properties, amethyst is one of the world's most revered stones. Be it a mental, physical, emotional, or spiritual conflict, amethyst's meaning serves all very well. With all of its amazing protective healing benefits, as well as the way amethyst transmutes energy into love, it comes to no surprise why amethyst is such a worldly renowned and must-have stone. Love is, after all, the highest frequency energy that exists. Having an amethyst geode in your home replaces negative vibes with pure love and harmony. What more could anyone ask for? As always, wishing you peace, love, and light on your amazing journey.